Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is the global marketplace for trading national currencies against one another. It operates 24/5, allowing participants to speculate on currency price movements. Technical analysis is one of the two primary methods used by traders and analysts, the other being fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying historical price charts and trading volumes to forecast future price movements, unlike fundamental analysis, which focuses on economic indicators, news, and events. Technical analysis relies on charts and mathematical indicators. Key concepts of technical analysis. 1. Candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns are visual representations of price movements. Common patterns include doji, indicating indecision, hammer, potential reversal, and engulfing patterns, reversal signals. Structure of a candlestick. A single candlestick consists of four main components: open, close, high, and low prices during a specific time period, which could be minutes, hours, days, etc. The body of the candle represents the opening and closing prices, while the wicks or shadows indicate the highest and lowest prices reached during the period. Basic candlestick patterns. Bullish candlestick. A bullish or green or white candlestick has a lower opening price and a higher closing price, suggesting that buyers were in control during the session. Bearish candlestick. A bearish or red or black candlestick has a higher opening price and a lower closing price, indicating that sellers dominated the session. Common candlestick patterns. Doji. A doji occurs when the opening and closing prices are virtually the same. It signals market indecision and potential reversal. Hammer. A hammer has a small body and a long lower wick, indicating that sellers pushed the price lower during the session, but buyers managed to bring it back up. It's considered a bullish reversal pattern. Engulfing patterns. Bullish engulfing occurs when a small bearish candle is followed by a larger bullish candle, completely engulfing the previous one. The opposite is true for a bearish engulfing pattern. Patterns for reversals. Head and shoulders. This pattern involves three peaks: a higher peak, which is the head, between two lower peaks, which is the shoulders. It signals a potential trend reversal. Double top and double bottom. Double top occurs when the price reaches a peak twice before reversing, while double bottom happens after a downtrend with two troughs. These patterns suggest a reversal might be imminent. Patterns for continuation. Flags and pennants. Flags and pennants are short-term continuation patterns that represent a brief consolidation before the previous trend resumes. Triangles. Symmetrical, ascending, and descending triangles indicate a period of consolidation and suggest that the market is getting ready for a potential breakout. Importance of candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns help traders understand market sentiment and anticipate potential price movements. They are often used in combination with other technical analysis tools for more robust predictions. Recognizing these patterns can aid in making informed decisions regarding entry and exit points in trading. Mastering candlestick patterns requires practice and a keen understanding of market dynamics, but they remain a powerful tool for technical analysts seeking insights into market behavior. Number 2. Support and resistance. Support. Definition. Support is a price level which a financial instrument tends to stop falling and may even bounce back upwards. It represents an area where buying interest is significantly strong, preventing the price from declining further. Characteristics. When the price approaches a support level, there is often an increase in buying activity as traders perceive the asset as undervalued. Support levels can be identified using various technical analysis tools such as trend lines, moving averages, or chart patterns. If a support level is successfully breached, it may act as a resistance level on the way down. Resistance. Resistance is a price level which a financial instrument tends to stop rising and may experience a pullback. It represents an area where selling interest becomes prominent, preventing the price from advancing further. Characteristics. As the price approaches a resistance level, there is often an increase in selling activity as traders perceive the asset as overvalued. Resistance levels can be identified using trend lines, historical highs, or psychological price levels. If a resistance level is successfully breached, it may turn into a support level, signifying a potential change in trend direction. Importance of support and resistance in Forex trading. Identifying support and resistance levels helps traders confirm the direction of the prevailing trend. An asset that consistently bounces off a support level in an uptrend or encounters resistance in a downtrend confirms the trend's strength. Traders use support and resistance levels to determine optimal entry and exit points. Buying near support or selling near resistance can provide favorable risk-reward ratios. Understanding these levels assists in setting stop-loss orders. Placing a stop-loss just below support or above resistance helps manage risk in case the market moves against the trade. Breakouts above resistance or breakdowns below support can signal potential trend reversals or the continuation of an existing trend. Traders often look for confirmation through increased volume. Support and resistance levels are not fixed. They evolve over time as market dynamics change, trends, news events, and market sentiment can impact the strength and relevance of these levels. Once a support level is breached, it may turn into a resistance level, and vice versa. This role reversal is a common phenomenon in technical analysis. Support and resistance are essential tools for traders to navigate the markets. Recognizing these levels provides insights into market sentiment, helps in trend confirmation, and aids in making strategic trading decisions. Traders often use a combination of technical analysis tools to strengthen their understanding of support and resistance levels. Number 3. Trend lines. Trend lines are a fundamental tool in technical analysis, helping traders identify and visualize the direction of a price trend. They play a crucial role in understanding market dynamics and making informed trading decisions. A trend line is a straight line that connects two or more significant price points on a chart. It is used to represent the overall direction of the market and assists in identifying trends. Types of trend lines. Uptrend line. An uptrend line is drawn by connecting to or more consecutive higher lows. It represents the upward direction of the market, indicating increasing buying interest. Downtrend line. A downtrend line is drawn by connecting to or more consecutive lower highs. It signifies the downward direction of the market, suggesting increasing selling pressure. Sideways or horizontal trend line. A horizontal trend line connects two or more price points where the asset's price has historically struggled to move beyond. It represents a period of consolidation or ranging prices. How to draw a trend line. Choose significant highs or lows on the price chart. The more points a trend line touches, the more valid and influential it is considered. Draw the trend line by connecting these selected points. It should run along the general slope of the trend, either upward, downward, or horizontally. Trend lines should not violate the price action significantly. They should generally follow the trend and not be forced to fit the data. Interpretation of trend lines. 1. Trend confirmation. A trend line that consistently connects higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend confirms the direction of the prevailing trend. Trend lines as support and resistance. Trend lines often act as dynamic support or resistance levels in an uptrend. The trend line may act as support, while in a downtrend, it may act as resistance. Trend lines breakouts and breakdowns. Breakouts occur when the price moves above a downtrend line, signaling a potential trend reversal or strength in an uptrend. Breakdowns happen when the price moves below an uptrend line, indicating a potential reversal or weakness in a downtrend. Trend line channels. Trend lines can be used to create channels by drawing a parallel line at a distance from the original trend line. Channels help traders identify potential entry and exit points, validate trend lines with other technical indicators, or chart patterns to strengthen the analysis. Trend lines are valuable tools for traders, providing a visual representation of market trends. Number 4. Market indicators. 1. Moving averages. Moving averages smooth out price data to create a single flowing line, helping traders identify the direction of the trend. Common types include simple moving averages SMA and exponential moving averages EMA. 2. Average Directional Index ADX. ADX measures the strength of a trend, indicating whether it is gaining or losing momentum. High ADX values suggest a strong trend, while low values indicate a weak or sideways market. 3. Relative Strength Index RSI. RSI measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100, identifying overbought above 70 or oversold below 30 conditions, potentially signaling a reversal. 4. Moving Average Convergence Divergence MACD is a trend following momentum indicator that calculates the difference between two moving averages. It also includes a signal line and a histogram, offering insights into potential trend reversals. 5. On-Balance Volume OBV. It helps assess the cumulative volume flow by adding or subtracting the daily volume. Based on price direction, rising OBV confirms an uptrend, while falling OBV confirms a downtrend. 6. Volume Profile. Volume profile displays the volume traded at each price level over a specified time period, helping identify significant support and resistance levels. 7. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands consist of a middle band SMA and two outer bands that represent standard deviations. They dynamically adjust to price volatility, contracting in periods of low volatility and expanding in high volatility periods. 8. Average True Range ATR. It measures market volatility by calculating the average range between high and low prices over a specified period. Higher ATR values indicate greater volatility. 9. Stochastic Oscillator. The stochastic oscillator compares a closing price to its price range over a specified period. It generates values between 0 and 100, identifying overbought and oversold conditions. 10. Commodity Channel Index CCI. It measures the current price level relative to its historical average, helping identify overbought or oversold conditions and potential trend reversals. Number 5. Fibonacci Retracement. Fibonacci retracement is a technical analysis tool based on the Fibonacci sequence, which is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. In the context of financial markets, Fibonacci retracement levels are used to identify potential levels of support and resistance. Key Fibonacci levels: 38.2%, 50%, and 1.8%. These are the primary Fibonacci retracement levels, commonly used in financial markets. They represent potential reversal zones where the price might stall or change direction. How to apply Fibonacci retracement uptrend. Identify a significant swing low and a subsequent swing high in an uptrend. Apply the Fibonacci retracement tool from the low to the high. The retracement levels will appear on the chart. Downtrend. Identify a significant swing high and a subsequent swing low in a downtrend. Apply the Fibonacci retracement tool from the high to the low. The retracement levels will appear on the chart. Interpretation. Fibonacci retracement levels act as potential support in an uptrend or resistance in a downtrend. Traders look for price reactions, such as bounces or reversals, around these levels. The 61.8% level, often referred to as the golden ratio, and is considered a particularly significant level. Many traders believe that if a price retraces to this level and holds, it may continue in the direction of the prevailing trend. In addition to retracement levels, traders also use Fibonacci extension levels, e.g., 161.8% and 261.8%, to identify potential price targets beyond the original trend. The effectiveness of Fibonacci retracement depends on the subjectivity of selecting the appropriate swing points. Different traders might identify different swings, leading to variations in retracement levels. While Fibonacci retracement is a popular tool, it does not guarantee future price movements. It should be used in conjunction with other technical analysis tools for a more comprehensive view. Fibonacci retracement is widely used by traders and analysts to identify potential reversal zones and levels of interest in the market. When combined with other technical analysis tools and used in the context of broader market conditions, Fibonacci retracement can be a valuable component of a trader's toolkit. In conclusion, technical analysis is a powerful tool widely used by Forex traders to analyze historical price data and make informed predictions about future price movements. It relies on various techniques such as chart patterns, indicators, trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, and more. The primary goal of technical analysis is to identify trends, potential reversal points, and key levels of support and resistance. In our next video, I will be explaining in depth the secrets and mysteries surrounding the different technical analysis tools and patterns. Subscribe to this channel right now so you don't miss out on those future strategies. If you need a well-experienced Forex mentor with a track record of winning streaks in more than a decade of trading experience and will personally mentor you one-on-one and shorten your trading journey, search Duriv Blue Gang on Telegram or check the description box below for a link into his Telegram channel where you can chat him up and trade with him. See you in our next video.